Okay, so like, can someone just like explain why people wear, use, just have watches? Like this is a watch. It's not a real one. I drew it because I don't have one because I'm not stupid. And you can see this is what it does. It tells the time and it goes on your wrist. And I don't get it because my phone tells time and a computer can tell the time, and like TVs, radios, cars, MP3 players, and potatoes. They can make a clock out of a potato. Like why do I need this? And like people will wear them and be like, look at my fancy watch, and I don't like. I'm glad you spent a lot of money on something that nobody needs ever. Like you just look kind of stupid. And like people will put them like on their wrist, but like I had this pretty cool, this is the best watch I ever saw. It was like bright orange. It was from like the Discovery Channel. It had like a magnifying glass, flashlight, toothpick to get bugs out of your teeth when you're out discovering stuff. And I would wear it like up because I found like wearing it loosely on the wrist to be extremely uncomfortable. But apparently like they're supposed to just kind of like hang there, like flop around. Like that's I don't like it. I don't want it. I don't need it. And then like because a lot of other people don't need these, right? As like a status item, right? Then we get Apple, right? And they come over here and they're making like Apple watches, which are just like tiny itty bitty screens that don't do anything and are irritating and have to charge. And I don't get those either because you already have the phone in your pocket. Some people read text on them, but like the screen's like round, and I don't know if you've ever tried to like text is like books, right? You've seen a book before. Books kind of look like this. Yeah, book, right? And words kind of go like this, right? But if we made books round, we might end up kind of like it doesn't work is what I'm saying. Is round. Text isn't round, right? But then you got the grandma special, right? You got the fitness tracker, right? Which you put it on your arm and you walk around and eventually you give up ever using it. But you probably use it like once or twice. Once or twice you get it for Christmas and you put it on, make a good show of it. But like lots of things have pedometers. Like my work gave me one. It's not good, but like it was free. You can put steps in there, and it's got some of them have like heart rate monitors, which are like also pretty easy to get and do. And I don't like. Why do you want this thing on your wrist? Like everything tells time. Like this. Look, here's the time. Right? We got the time, right? We got the time. We know what time it is, right? We don't need all this time on our wrists. Like no, I don't like it. I don't like them. I don't want them. And like this has time. There's the time. It's time. I don't get it.